Kapag meron kang satisfied customer, it's your opportunity na humingi ng referrals. So from the leads, papasok na ngayon yung tinatawag nating sales. Or what we call conversion. So may mga leads na tayo, i-convert na siya through sales. So ano yung tip na maibibigay ko sa inyo dito? Una, you have to have what we call a sales sequence. Meron ka dapat sinusundang sequence. Meron kang sinusundang framework or systems. And the idea, bakit kailangan ng sequence? Para ma-avoid natin yung over-strategizing and overthinking. So right now, I'm gonna share with you a really powerful framework. You will see a lot in Success Blueprint, guys. It's here. You will master this framework here and in self-mastery as well, no? Actually, even in sales mastery, nandyan yan eh. Kasi hindi nawawala to. Framework you can use in marketing, in sales, in creating content, in branding, in almost everything. And most importantly, you can use this in your life, sa sarili mo.